Hey everyone, I'm Sarah. Welcome back to my channel, and I have a special unboxing for you today. So if you'd like to see what I got, keep on watching. Okay, so I literally thought I really wasn't gonna make another Erin Condren order for the duration of 2018. But here we are again. I couldn't help it, you guys. I couldn't help it. And you guys like the videos, so then I was like, I should just do it for the viewers, right? I guess. But I actually needed one more thing. I really hadn't really anticipated doing it till the end of the year, maybe the beginning of 2019. But they were having their friends and family sale, so that was 25% off your entire purchase. And then it's a bigger percentage off, I think, for Black Friday. I think it tends to be 35% off, but it's a coupon code, so the 25% off site-wide was automatically the prices were reduced, so you could use a coupon on top of that. And so I had one more 20% off coupon left from ordering my planner, so I thought, yeah, let's do it. So I'm gonna show you what I got. So it's not a lot, but always exciting, right? Again, cute little note card. Be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. I love these. I put them all over my office. I just think they're great quotes. And of course, another enjoy to and from. I cannot get enough of these. They're so good for when I don't have cards. I just kind of throw one of those on. Okay, so again, I love the blue. Always adorable packaging from Erin Condren. Almost forgot what I ordered. Oh yeah! I got another planner. So this is actually a deluxe monthly planner. I love these. I love this this geometric print. I have my initials. My initials are SAD, which is sad. I know, so I just put the D in the middle, so SDA, and the S and the A are small and the D is big, just kind of like that monogram feel. Yes, so basically this is what I had intended to order at the end of the year, like end or the beginning of 2019, because this is what I use to budget. And it's a kind of a system. I don't follow this system, but there is a system that Jen somebody who's an incredible planner girl to reference. She does a whole sinking funds and a deluxe monthly. I just watched her video and I took my own take on it and what worked for me. But this is what I use, and they're really, I'm a neutral girl, but for my budgeting, I always pick the colorful. This year they put tabs on them. Hey, genius. I had to buy the tabs individually last time and then put them on, which is annoying. So this year they have them. It's the same thing, you guys. It's like a planner, except for it doesn't have the weekly planning pages. So it works perfect for me because starting in December, I kind of use this for tracking payday when I get paid, and that's pretty much it. And then on these is where I can just kind of plan. I plan like what's going into savings, what's going into my sinking funds. I'll kind of note take anything I want to add to my sinking fund maybe for the next month. Like, oh, you know, let's add a hair or car stuff, whatever. Again, I'm not going to go into how I budget, but if you want to kind of what I do, go ahead and search for Jen Dufour, Jen Dufro, Jen something. I'll try and remember to link her down below and look at her sinking funds, or just look up sinking funds. You'll find some good stuff, but that's what I use. So that's what I got this for. Again, I was gonna wait, but it was a good time. And then I think I mentioned on my previous video is how annoyed I was that you can't ever get the life planner with the teacher covers. They make them, but you always have to buy them separately. And I was gonna get them when they were BOGO, but I just didn't, because I wasn't gonna buy the planner. So I was like, I'm not just gonna like pay shipping for BOGO. But this was, I think I had to pay for shipping for this. But so I picked up 2 of the teacher planners to have. So this adorable one that was new to this year, they're like pencils in this like star shape. Actually no, sorry, in this star shape. And then I think I have just my name on it. Yeah, it just says my name. And then I got it, I've always loved this apple one, so I got the apple one also. And I think this one you had to put in your school, which was kind of annoying because I'm not just at one school. So I put the district and just letters, and you have to put Miss or Mrs. You can't just put your first and last name. So that is annoying, Erin Condren, because people who may want apples and not be teachers or not want to go by Miss Sarah on their planner. Think about it. Just think about it. It was crazy. I could not hit submit without putting Miss, Mr., Mrs. And I could not put a school name in. Like, I don't want a school name in it. Nobody needs to know where I work. But anyway, still, I got it. So cute. Love them. And then only 2 more things. I picked up their highlighters because I just realized I needed another set. I need another set of matching markers. Highlighters. I can talk and I know what these are. Highlighters, you guys. I wanted these from my work. I realized I just had not great highlighters and I wanted cute ones from Erin Condren. So I got them. And then last up, because I always use washi tape. Never. I picked up some washi tape. I never use it, but I think it's cute and I always want to use it, but I won't. But I bought it still. Love it. I'm gonna try and use it. I don't know what for, but I'm gonna try and use it. Maybe I'm gonna mark out like Christmas break, Thanksgiving or something. I'm gonna use it. Goal. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed my Erin Condren haul. Hopefully it's my last one for the year unless she comes out with something super spectacular and then I have to get it. But hopefully not. But if you have not tried out Erin Condren and really want to, you guys, I will have a link down below for $10 off your first order. You guys, you can't beat it. Can't beat it. So don't forget to sign up if you're interested or want to take a closer look at all that Erin Condren has to offer. They have some amazing, just not planner stuff, accessories, home stuff, apparel, so good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you've not done so yet, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.